Oh, snowplow. Hi everybody, I'm Brett. This is Muon Video on YouTube, and today we're filming in a blizzard with the Sony A7S III. So with all that out of the way, let's get started. So I'm rocking out the 20mm f1.8. Really digging this wide lens. It's wider than the 20-60 f3.5 to 5.6 on the Panasonic S5. Audio is being recorded via the Rode Wireless Go. I've got a lavalier attached as well, so hopefully the audio is coming in nice and clear. So filming with the Sony A7S III in a blizzard, vis-a-vis the Canon R5, I gotta give the edge to Sony here. Not to say that filming in a blizzard is easy, but with the Sony A7S III, I've got the steady shot set to active, and the autofocus is definitely getting me. I'm filming in 4K 30p 422 10-bit, S-Log 3, and the 20mm f1.8 I have attached is set at f2.2. Auto ISO is telling me I'm in a place where I need it to be set between 1000 and 1250. So, auto ISO, auto white balance, autofocus, we're cooking. I'm not seeing any weird warping with the auto white balance either. It seems to be performing pretty consistently. Also, how's my snow stash looking? What do y'all think? As cold as it looks here, I'm not feeling a thing. I've got to owe that to the 10 layers of clothing I put on. So being in this blizzard and auto white balance keeps adapting to my circumstances, it's doing a good job, and I wanted to talk more about picture profiles on this camera. Now, coming from the Panasonic S5, my process was Vlog and Nisus 709, maybe a finishing LUT, maybe a little bit of small color work, and that was pretty much it, and I usually had a very good image at the end of it. Winter storm is a word for it. Blizzard is another. It's coming down. Now with the Sony A7S III, the colors usually get a bad reputation. The image I'm seeing now, it looks really nice. Filming an S-Log 3 with a Gamma Rec 709 assist. The colors look really accurate to my eye. Sometimes it doesn't quite look that good when it gets to post-pro, but nowadays what I usually do is film with the Fuji Eternal LUT. And I also use another LUT. It's like a Arri Alexa color conversion. So last time I made a blizzard vlog video, it was for the Canon R5. I did a first impressions video. And that camera system, with the lens I was using, was a much heavier camera system than this one. Actually, this is a lighter camera system than even the Panasonic S5. Hence, a much easier camera system to work with in circumstances such as these. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you found this video helpful, insightful, or you really like my snow mustache, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.